If you're wondering how to get your gun license in BC, you're in the right place. In Canada, it's officially called a PAL, Possession and Acquisition License, and it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Choose your license type. Most new shooters start with the standard PAL for non-restricted firearms like rifles and shotguns. If you want to own handguns, you'll need an RPAL too, but you can apply for both at the same time. Step 2. Take the Canadian Firearms Safety Course. This is the mandatory training to get your PAL. It's a one-day course taught by certified instructors, covering safety, laws, and hands-on handling. After passing the written and practical tests, you'll get your course report, needed for your application. Step 3. Apply through the RCMP. You'll submit your form, photo, references, and course report. There's a mandatory 28-day waiting period, and full processing usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks. After that, you're licensed. You can buy a firearm, join a range, or start hunting if you take the core hunter education course. Ready to start? Book your PAL course today with BC Firearms Academy. We offer courses across Surrey, Abbotsford, Richmond, and more. Visit BC Firearms Academy. Cut to register now.